Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So my planner BFF Dijon sent me some of the new Happy Planner budget roll boxes things. I didn't know that those like existed, but apparently they do. So I think she took them out of the box, which I don't care about because I know where I can put them. So that's gonna be a thing, but I'll insert a picture if I can find one of like the actual box or whatever. But let's just see, let's just check out the rolls. They're stickers, by the way. I feel like we know that already, right? Oh, cute. I don't know how excited I'm gonna be to like take this off though. Wouldn't that be weird? Let's take it off, whatever. That's what I'm here for, to show y'all everything. Oh, this is so cute. Look how cute. That is so cute. Okay, so this pretty much just repeats itself. Payday stickers, paid, savings, goal, savings, goal, and it just repeats itself. So I'm not going to open all of it because I'll be all day trying to wrap it back up or whatever. But this pretty much just repeats itself with the colors. And this looks like this is like a full strip, and then it starts repeating itself again, I think, because, yeah, I think that's a thing. So that's this roll, and I've yet to see, I've never seen these before. So the next one is like Bill Do stickers, and so let's check out this is so cool. Look at this. So these pretty much look like the stickers that are in the budget sticker book, but anyway, I guess these are cooler because you can buy these if you want these and you don't want a sticker book. So anyway, looks like a credit card bill, and like a car payment or something. You know, you can use it for car insurance, car payment, cell phone or phone, house, mortgage, rent, you know, electricity, water, cable, fire. And then I think this umbrella is for like insurance, so an insurance. And then I think this pretty much just repeats itself on an, you know, yeah, I guess that's like a stopping point. And then it just, oh yeah, because we have a student loan right here. I guess I didn't say that. Yep, the last one's a student loan. And then I guess it just repeats itself. So that's super cool. So the next one is some little circle stickers, no spend, and then paid in full, an asterisk, no spend, paid in full, you rock, and then I guess that pretty much just repeats itself as well. So that's pretty nifty as well. This video is gonna be like 4 minutes long. It's fine because I wanted to show y'all. Okay, more pay bill stickers, and these are the ones where you can like write in the bill and then like check it off when it gets paid, and then write in the bill amount as well. So it looks like these are pretty much, these are the colors. Yeah, I think this is pretty much right here is where the color scheme stops. So these are the colors for those. And then we have, ooh, this one is so cute. Okay, that's kind of like a Bill Do sticker too. You can pretty much use that as a Bill Do sticker. And then we have this cute little sticker for account balances, and you can use this for the date. I think that's what the slash is for. Checking, savings, retirement, emergency fund. So basically you could use these at like the beginning of the month just to kind of track your balances. And then 2 more of those. Ooh, and then a savings challenge sticker with the goal amount. And then week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6. And then the balance. And that, this is pretty much how this runs or whatever. Yeah, because then it just repeats itself. So this is pretty much right here. Yeah. This is pretty much like where it stops and starts. Because I guess this is kind of sharing with us, like, you know, letting us know where the color scheme and like the pattern stops and starts, I guess, because that seems to be like a thing. Yeah, I think that's what's going on there. So anyway, here are all of the little sticker rolls. I find these to be so cute. I'm not really sure how I'm going to store them because they're just rolls, so that's a little on the weird side, you know, a little bit. But I'm not even going to try to, I don't know what I'm trying to do, but we're going to stop because it's stressing me out. So I'm not sure how we're going to store these. I'm trying to think if there's any way that I can think of off the top of my head and I can show you guys. Yeah, I don't really know how we're going to store these because a lot of people will just cut them up and kind of store them that way. I want to leave them on the roll and just be able to grab them when I need them. But yeah, I'm not really sure how we're going to store these. So anyway, I just wanted to show these to you guys because I feel like that's a part of my duty here on YouTube, is just bringing you guys all of the newest budget related things. So quick little video, I just wanted to show these to you guys all up close and personal because y'all know how I do. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. And I hope you didn't hear that bird out there making all kinds of annoying noises. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.